It was at around 11:20. Mä viihtin lukea. That night, I was dragging myself home next month after a timeless studio session at school. But there was no one on the street. Jos. Ai usualy. See a lot of people, even at night, since my app. Anyways, feeling scared, I kept looking down on the ground while walking home. Suddenly, a shadow stretching towards me caught my eyes. There was anyone around me. I looked up to see who there was and saw a woman walking in front of me, but she looked a little strange. I could say that she looked crippled. She was limping and struggling to walk in front of me. Since she was walking very slow, I soon caught up with her. Up close, I was able to see her even better. She was wearing dirty pink pajamas and looked as if all her joints in her body has been twisted. Hyi. Worse, her hair was a mess and sticking out to everywhere. Ihan tennat. It seemed so weird that I stopped walking. I felt like I shouldn't get any closer to heaven. Mitä sä teet? Hyi saatana. Tuleeko tässä lisää?
Tulee.
Hyi. You know, people say that if you are really surprised, you can't even scream. That was right. I froze there, not being able to move at all. Where is my baby? My thoughts were racing to her question. Oh my god, I don't even know what I was thinking when I did that. It gives me chills thinking that moment. I answered, pointing as far as I could. Over there. I just wanted Toi on kamelin näkö. I just wanted her to get away from me. Then she limped towards where I had pointed to, and I couldn't see her anymore. Fearing that I might run into her again. Mika, älä. I tried to Shank. I tried to run around and leave the apartment complex. Lopeta! I could not think of anything but to get to a place where there would be people around. Apua. She is not here. I heard her screaming from far away. I don't remember anything from then on. I heard that my neighbor family passed out on the ground and took me home. Loppuuko se?
Ei. En mä tiedä.
In 2007 at an apartment complex in Bongcheon-dong, Gwanak-gu, Seoul, a 33-year-old woman jumped off the apartment and died on the spot.
Tuota on semmoinen jännä tarina.
Niin tää onkin.
Että oikea mukaan ois.
No joo, ihan sama. Known as surname Cho, a divorcee due to her extramarital affair, she had lost her custody of her 2-year-old daughter and decided to commit suicide. Hyi.
Annittelu.
After that incident, Chu was seen walking around the apartment complex several times. After that incident, Joe was seen walking around that apartment complex several times. The end. Mikä nappi?